Hello, travellers! Welcome to Galle, a timeless jewel nestled along the southern coast of Sri Lanka. Here, the whispers of history blend seamlessly with the rhythm of the Indian Ocean, offering travellers a rare journey through colonial charm, natural beauty, and cultural richness. Once a bustling port city along the ancient spice route, Galle has stood resilient through centuries of change. Its crown jewel, the Galle Fort, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site built by the Portuguese in the 16th century and later fortified by the Dutch. Walking along its coral stone walls, you're not just tracing centuries-old bricks, you're following the footsteps of explorers, traders and settlers from across the globe. What makes Galle truly unique is the perfect harmony between history and life. Within the fort's walls, ancient colonial mansions now host vibrant cafes, art galleries, boutique hotels, and artisan shops, creating an atmosphere that is at once historic and refreshingly modern. The Galle Lighthouse, proudly standing at the edge of the fort, is one of the island's most photographed landmarks. And nearby, the Dutch Reformed Church, dating back to 1755, tells stories in every creak of its floorboards. Just beyond the fort, Galle opens into a world of natural wonders. The nearby Unawatuna Bay, with its golden sands and turquoise waters, is perfect for swimming, snorkeling and diving. The area teems with marine life, and it's not uncommon to spot sea turtles gliding gracefully beneath the waves. Visitors can taste the ocean's bounty at beachside restaurants, where fresh seafood sizzles in traditional spices, a true delight for the senses. But Galle is more than its beauty. It's a living cultural canvas. The local communities infuse the town with authentic Sri Lankan warmth. Wander through vibrant markets, witness traditional drumming, and explore handcrafted textiles and lace, a craft passed down through generations since Dutch times. A short drive inland reveals lush tea estates, cinnamon gardens, and rainforest retreats, each offering a new perspective of the southern charm. So, why does the world keep returning to Galle? Because it is one of those rare places that honours its past while embracing the present. A destination where every street corner tells a story, where cultures converge peacefully, and where the simple joy of walking by the sea becomes something unforgettable. Whether you're a history lover, an artist, a foodie, a surfer, or simply a traveller in search of soul, Galle invites you in. And once you visit, part of your heart stays. Come, discover Galle, where time stands still and memories last forever.